Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can process historical data using our Easy SharePoint for Zoho CRM extension. If you have old data and want to create dedicated SharePoint folders for those records, this video will show you the process. To process historical data, first you need to create a custom view. This custom view will help you separate the records that do not have a SharePoint folder ID. To create the custom view, click on this button and select New Custom View. Here, you have to give the view a name. I will name it Deals Without SharePoint ID. Now you have to add criteria. For the criteria, select SharePoint Folder ID and choose Is Empty. This will filter out the records that do not have a SharePoint folder ID. You can select Only Me or Everyone based on your requirement. Then click Save. Now you can see that our total record count is 139. These are the deals that do not have a SharePoint ID. If you want to close this view, you can click Close View. This will show all the deals again. Here, we have 296 deals in total. If you want to open the custom view again, click on the View list. Then select Deals Without SharePoint ID. This is the custom view we just created. Now you can see that 139 deals do not have a SharePoint ID. So our custom view has been created successfully. Now click on Marketplace. Then click on Installed. Search for Easy SharePoint for Zoho CRM and click on Settings. From here, select the Deals module because we are working with the Deals module. Now click on the Historical Data button. Here, you can see that no data is available yet. So we need to create a new process. Click on this button to create a process. Now select the module. We will select the Deals module. Next, select the custom view. For this, we will select the custom view we created earlier, Deals Without SharePoint ID. Now select the field name. Our field name is SharePoint Folder ID Ext. Now you can select the root folder from here. We will keep the root folder the same, but we will create a new folder to separate the processed deal folders. I will create a new folder named Processed Deals. Now click Save. Our new folder has been created. Select that folder. The folder structure will remain the same as before. Now we can create the cron job from here. The historical data log is now in progress. You can also delete the process if you want to stop it. Now wait for a few minutes until the process is completed. Now, if you go to SharePoint, you can see that the new Processed Deals folder has been created automatically. If you open the Processed Deals folder, you can see that new folders are being created. The extension will create folders for all 139 deals that do not have a SharePoint ID. After the process is finished, the status will show as successful. This is how you can process old records that do not already have SharePoint folders. With just a few clicks, you can create dedicated folders in SharePoint for your historical CRM data.